What if I told you that Google is giving away $10,000 in free advertising every month to eligible nonprofits? Not just for a month or two, but continuously, month after month. And I'm not joking, this program is called Google Ad Grants, and as someone who spent over a decade in digital marketing, I can tell you that it's one of the most underutilized opportunities for NGOs. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to qualify, apply, and make the most of this incredible program. Stay with me, and this could be worth $120,000 a year to your organization. Hey everyone, Dan here from Online Labs. After helping clients build successful Google Ads campaigns for years, I've seen firsthand how powerful this platform can be when you know how to use it properly. That's exactly why I created my Google Ads Masterclass, to help people escape their 9-to-5 grind and build the freedom lifestyle that they deserve through digital marketing skills. But today's video isn't about my course. It's about helping nonprofit organizations access an amazing resource that many don't even know exists. So let's talk in more detail about Google Ad Grants. So Google Ad Grants is essentially Google's way of supporting nonprofit organizations through advertising. It provides eligible nonprofits with up to $10,000 per month in free advertising on Google. That's right, $10,000 every single month. Think about what could this mean for your organization. Increased visibility, more volunteers, additional donations, greater awareness for your cause, and many, many more. I've helped several nonprofits implement these grants, and the impact can be tremendous when done correctly. One environmental nonprofit I worked with saw their volunteer applications triple after just 2 months of properly running their grant ads. Now, let's talk about who qualifies for this program. To be eligible for Google Ad Grants, you need to be, first of all, a registered nonprofit organization that meets Google's requirements. So you need to be approved by Google, and also you need to have a good quality website. However, there are some organizations that don't qualify. You're not eligible if you are a governmental entity or organization, a hospital or a healthcare organization, school, academic institution, or university. In that case, you have a separate program for that. And this is important even if you're doing an amazing work. If you fall into one of these categories, unfortunately, you won't qualify. But don't click away just yet. Google offers other programs specifically for these educational institutions and health organizations. Now, let's talk about application process. The process to apply is straightforward but requires attention to detail. First, check if you're eligible based on the criteria we just discussed. Next, apply for Google for Nonprofits. This is your gateway to all Google's offerings. After the approval, enroll specifically in Google Ad Grants program. Then you will need to create your account. And finally, submit your account for a review. Here's something important to note. Google works with different companies to verify nonprofit status. So you will need to get a validation token from the company as a part of this process. And you need to be patient, as the approval process can take up to 30 days, in some cases even more, and you can use this time to prepare in the meantime your website and start planning your campaign strategy. Now let's talk about specific requirements you need to meet your Google Ad Grants account. First, your website quality is crucial. You need a good website that has good load speed, HTTPS security, updated content, easy user experience, and no commercial activity. I can't emphasize enough how important your website quality is. I've seen nonprofits get rejected simply because their website loaded too slowly or was looking pretty bad, no menus, and a lot of pop-ups. If your website needs work, do that before applying for this program. It can make or break your approval. Next, there's a maximum bid limit. Unlike regular Google Ads where you can bid whatever amount you want, with Google Ad Grants, your maximum cost per bid is $2 and you need to specify exactly $2. This means you need to focus on more specific, less competitive keywords. Google also requires you to maintain minimum performance benchmarks. For example, a 5% click-through rate and a minimum quality score of 3 out of 10. These benchmarks ensure you're creating relevant, engaging ads without spamming your audience. If your CTR drops below 5% for 2 consecutive months, your account could be temporarily deactivated. You'll also need to complete feedback forms when Google requests you to do so. This helps Google improve the program and ensure you're getting value from it. Every campaign must use geographic targeting. This helps ensure your ads reach the most relevant audience for your nonprofit's work. For your account setup, you need a minimum of 2 campaigns, 2 ad groups in each campaign, 2 ads in each ad group, and 2 site links assets. You'll also need to have conversion setup working properly. And make sure to use only relevant keywords for your organization. This might sound too technical if you're new to Google Ads, but don't worry, these requirements are actually good advertising practices that will help your campaigns perform better anyway. In my Google Ads Masterclass, we will cover all of these elements in more depth, but there's also a free resources from Google that can help you get started. Now that we covered the requirements, let me give you 3 quick tips that will help you succeed with your Google Ad Grants. First of all, focus on specific keywords that are related to your organization. Don't try to compete with broad terms like donate or charity. Instead, use specific phrases related to your cause, like wildlife conservation in Colorado or homeless youth support in Chicago. Create dedicated landing pages for your ads. Don't just send people to your homepage. Create specific pages that matches the intent of each ad group. This improves your quality score and conversion rates as well. And lastly, set up proper conversion tracking from day one. Whenever it's tracking donations, sign-ups on your website by volunteers, or newsletter subscriptions, knowing what actions people take after clicking your ads is crucial for optimization. Google Ad Grants can be a game changer for nonprofits, but like any other powerful tool, it requires knowledge and strategy to use effectively. If you follow the steps I outlined today, you'll be well on your way to harnessing $10,000 of free advertising credit every month. If you'd like to learn more about Google Ads in general, check out my complete Google Ads Masterclass. While it's designed for businesses and marketeers, the strategies I teach apply also to NGOs advertising as well. I'll link it in the description. And if you are a non-profit organization watching this and need help implementing your Google Ads, feel free to drop a comment below, and I occasionally take on a pro bono consulting work for causes that I believe in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more digital marketing insights that can help you grow online. That's about it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.